美国有一搭军工厂传出，那像是咧试验炸药的时阵发生大规模的爆炸。这爆炸威力是传到数十公里以外，规间工厂崩一个拢无去。传讲有19个人已经失联，恐惊是不幸罹难。
对空中看落去，爆炸现场是乱糟糟，斩破车体散到规涂骹，也有一寡火堆是抑阁一直伫烧。发生爆炸的炸药工厂精准能源系统公司，位伫美国田纳西州的纳皮维尼西方大约80公里的所在。平常时甲美国陆军、海军签订长期合约，为军方供应军用炸药甲枪药。不过当地7早起7点45分左右，确实雄雄发生爆炸。
Sitting there and there was a huge boom and my house shook very hard. It honestly felt like a vehicle drove through our house. That's what I thought whenever it happened.
外国媒体报道，这间炸药工厂受被动建筑甲一间品管实验室组成，平常时生产的产品包含散装炸药、地雷、爆破炸药甲死火炸药等。爆炸发生了后，当地警消赶紧赶到现场，上山赶到现场的急救人员一开始也无倒入去抢房，因为这枪药也继续伫爆炸。
Can I describe the building? There's nothing to describe. It's gone. It's again, it's the most devastating scene that I've seen in my career.
这场爆炸威力强大到，予炸药碎片喷到市区围800公尺远，连带伫24公里外民众拢使听到爆炸声音，感受到地面的震动。
Although Sheriff Davis said he believes that the plant was fully operational at the time, so there was a full work crew there. One witness I talked to earlier today said he was about 15 miles away in a deer blind hunting this morning when he felt the explosion and it nearly knocked him out of the blind.
全 FBI 联邦调查局甲温州情报以及玻璃部管理局调查人员都已经赶到现场，要进一步调查爆炸原因。因为附近的民众是自发性组织队伍为失踪者上米祈祷，希望会使传出好消息。国视新闻，陈思东编译。